The Agilent BenchCel Microplate Handler is a lab automation platform that can rescue labs from repetitive labware handling chores. The BenchCel is fully compatible with Agilent's range of lab automation instruments, which provide functions such as sealing, labeling, centrifugation, liquid handling, as well as the automation and support of other third-party devices for enhanced throughput, such as bulk dispensing, plate reading, washing, incubation. BenchCel automates all of these activities and more. The BenchCel is a low-risk, easy first step in lab automation, and it grows with you as your needs and budget allow. From a few dozen microplates to hundreds of microplates and overnight runs, the BenchCel works tirelessly, providing you with precious walkaway time. Instrument models are available in 2, 4, or 6 labware rack capacities. With its generous Z height range, the BenchCel is capable of accessing 2 stacked instruments per side. BenchCel devices can work in tandem to automate more sophisticated assays or protocols. Shown here is a workstation that integrates the BenchCel with an Agilent Bravo automated liquid handling platform and the Agilent Mini Hub, providing compact, user-configurable, random access to plates and tip boxes. The high-speed BenchCel robot is capable of 8-second labware transfers from any of the labware racks to an adjacent instrument. Compatible labware includes microplates, lidded microplates, tip boxes, and tube racks compliant with labware standards. The BenchCel's robot's unique motions and vertical travel allow it to repeatedly access labware in high-density locations. For the most efficient space utilization, advanced automated functions such as delidding enable more complex protocols. Loading and unloading labware is quick and easy. The BenchCel can be controlled by Agilent vWorks software or compatible third-party software through its ActiveX control. vWorks event-driven scheduler can control most Agilent lab automation products and many third-party devices to provide the utmost in walkaway time. For more information or to request a quote, please contact your Agilent representative or customerservice.automation@agilent.com. Thank you.